What's going on to the Gen Z finance community? Guys, today we're going to be talking about my portfolio here today. We're going to be talking about my recent moves, my recent purchases, dividends, etc. What I'm going to be doing with my holdings, what my positions are up on the day, on the week, on the year, etc. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alrighty then, the portfolio is sitting at $14,990 here today. We're up $399 on the past week. We're up $252 in the past day. Past month, we're up $700. And the past 3 months, we're up $800. And in the total year, we're up $800 as well. First stock on the list today, a US stock here, Carnival Cruise Line. Ticker symbol CCL. Right now, we're holding 15 shares at a cost basis of $185. Cost per share, $12.39, which is fantastic. And today it is sitting around $17.21. So I'm up $72 in this position. It is a very, very small position, but I'm probably just going to be holding this one out for now. I can really see in the future Carnival Cruise Line being way higher than $17. Business just has to pick up. They're going to have to be allowed to continue cruises, and everything should be on the right track as long as all these companies are bailing them out with certain investments. They should make it through these tough times. So for now, I'm just going to be holding this position. All right, guys. Second holding here. U.S. company as well. Ticker symbol XOM. Guys, ExxonMobil Corporation here. This is the worst investment of my entire life. I wish I could go back in time and not get the fear of missing out and buy this stock at $53 a share. It is now at $40 a share here today. I bought 17 shares of this company, and we are down $210 on this position, which is absolutely terrible. But guys, ExxonMobil is going to rebound as soon as oil rebounds. It's inevitable. It will happen at some point. So I'm going to be holding this one out for the long term and just continue to be paid those dividends that ExxonMobil still does pay, which is phenomenal. So that one's a hold for me. If it goes a little bit lower, if it goes to the 30s, 35s, I'll be loading up the boat a little bit there, depending on the business and if they're still, their balance sheet's still strong enough to power through this. But guys, if anything, I'm pretty sure the government would be bailing out this company if anything were extreme to happen. So it's not a terrible position I'm holding. I know it will rebound. It's just going to take some time. But yeah, if it does drop, I will be loading the boat on ExxonMobil. Guys, third stock here today, Leggett and Platt Incorporated, ticker symbol LEG. Here's a U.S. company. I'm holding 24 shares of this big boy. Cost per share, $34.94 here today. The price is $41.49. I'm up $156 on this position. Constantly paying me quarterly dividends. Good dividend pair. It's around 4% dividend yield currently, so that's going fantastic. I'm going to be holding this one for a very long time. Alright guys, for the fourth stock here today that I'm still extremely bullish on, and you guys should be too. It's just not performing as well as I thought it would be right now, and it is killing my gains. It is killing my gains. But that is Nordic American Tankers, ticker symbol NAT. I'm holding 600 shares of this one. Cost basis at $2,859. Cost per share, $4.77, and it is currently sitting at $4.33 right now. So I'm down huge on this position, $261. This is 20% of my portfolio here today. It might be a little bit more than that or a little bit less, but that is that. I'm holding this one for the long term here. I'm going to continue to rack in those dividends. I'm pretty sure they're paying around a 13% dividend right now, which is phenomenal. So I'm not too worried about this one. They're leading into the company's best financial years in the history of Nordic American Tankers. So I'm looking forward to this long-term outlook. Not a financial advisor. I document all of this for you guys so you can be a part of my journey here with me and experience what I am experiencing in the market. I'm looking to develop this portfolio into bigger and larger scales. I just want to show you guys where I started and where I'm going to be in the future. So I'm doing this for the documentation and the journey. Number 5 here, Allied Properties REIT. It's actually a real estate investment trust, so 30 shares of this one for cost per share $40.24. It's currently at $38, so I'm down $64 on this one. Not a problem for me. Most of these companies I'm down on are just dividend pairs for me, so the lower they are, the more I'll just buy the shares, so it's not too much of an issue. Allied Properties does have like a pretty decent balance sheet, so I'm not too worried about anything like that. Right now, I could buy more shares, but I'm honestly going to hold out because I want to build more positions in other companies. But for now, it's good. I'll just continue to rack in that 4% dividend that I do pay, and it is a monthly dividend, which is phenomenal. All right, moving on to my gainers here. Finally, the gainers. Okay, here we go. BMO. Oh my god, this one's a monster. It's free money, yo. Put your money in BMO. You making money, okay? No problem. All right, 21 shares of this one, $74.31 cost basis here. It's sitting at $82.83. I'm up $179 on this company, and they just paid me a $25 dividend yesterday or the day before that. I'm not entirely sure. So technically, I am up $200 on this one, and I'll be buying another company with that dividend they paid me. Another dividend, bank stock of mine, Canadian Imperial Bank of Canada here, 15 shares of this one. Cost per share, $92.96. This one is at $104 a share right now. I'm up $167 in this company, and this one pays me a 5% dividend right now. I'm not entirely sure when their dividend is. I'm pretty sure it is soon because I know CIBC and BMO are very similar. So that being said, I'm just going to continue to hold this one and rack in those dividends while the stock price appreciates. Canadian company here, Great-West Lifeco Incorporated. I'm holding 55 shares of this one. Cost per share, $23.50. This one's sitting at $27.17 here today. I am up $201 on this one. This one is a quarterly dividend pair of mine. They pay around 5% dividend as well, 4 to 5% right now. So that's phenomenal. Continue to hold this one for a very long time. Rack in those dividends, and the stock appreciation will be fantastic. All right, another Canadian company here, Kiara Corporation, ticker symbol KEY. This is a liquid gas company, energy company. I'm holding 55 shares of this one. Cost per share, $22.45, and the price per share right now is $24.45, which is great. I'm up $110 in this company, and this one is a monthly dividend pair of mine. They pay around a 5% dividend yield. So this one is a company that I'm going to be holding for life right now, unless the fundamentals change in the business, which it hasn't. So I'm going to be holding this one for sure, racking in those dividends and letting that stock appreciate. Another stock on the list here, ticker symbol CAKE, the Cheesecake Factory, guys. This one is annoying. I wanted to build this position like crazy, but I don't have any money on the sidelines, which was a crazy big mistake. Like, now I use this as a learning experience here. This one, it was $23.53 when I bought it. That's my average cost per share. Now it is $30.79, and I loved it. I loved the company. I loved everything about it. So that's a disappointment, but it's okay. Maybe if the stock price does go down back to the 20s, I will be loading the boat, but I really don't see that happening right now at all. This one, I'm up $65. I know they did pay a dividend, so hopefully at some point they may bring back that dividend as well. So right now I'm just going to be holding this one. It was a $40 stock in the past, so maybe they'll be able to bring it back to that stock, and the stock has many different ventures that they're going to be bringing in the years to come, so this stock may be able to grow and grow and grow in the future. All right, guys, last company here that I'm going to be building huge position in, Cirrus Logic, ticker symbol Cruise. I'm holding 13 right now for $61.48. It is currently at $61.17. I will do anything for this stock to go down to $50 a share, $55 a share. If it goes down to $40 a share, I will have to sell every single stock in this portfolio that is in the green, and we already know that's not going to happen, but if it does, I'll be taking advantage of that for sure. But right now, if it does drop to 55 a share, sit 58 around there, I'll be buying more shares. But if it continues to go up from here, I'll just leave it. Alright guys, that is my entire portfolio. I'll probably be doing one video like this every single week so you guys know where my portfolio is standing and you can follow me on my entire journey. So yeah, that being said, guys, if you guys want more stock market related videos like this one, make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.